Assaalaomalaikum, Farina Siddiqui here. I would like to address to those comments and suggestions about doing my hum talk in English so everybody can understand. I do hum talk vlogs in Urdu to actually point out the problems, the issues, the matters that are of utmost importance in Pakistani community or the speaking community across the globe. Alhamdulillah, you have been great support for that, but due to increasing demands, I'm starting a new series, or actually restarting my new series called Coffee Talk in English, inshallah. So everybody will understand my messaging, everybody will share these messages with everybody who can benefit, inshallah. So stay tuned. I will share some old vlogs and I will also record some new ones, inshallah. And whoever can benefit from these vlogs or these small conversations, inshallah, please comment, please share, and also let me know what topics would you like to hear, inshallah. My agenda here with these talks is to actually highlight the community issues, community concerns, and also the good things about our community. The religion, Islam, has been bestowed upon us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But we have done a grave mistake by mixing the culture with the religion. We have to separate the two because we have the responsibility and we are accountable to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to actually convey the message of truth, the message of Islam to the rest of the world with all the language capacity that we have in Urdu, in English, in Arabic, whatever language you can speak, deliver the truth. Speak the truth. So, and that's the intention here, inshallah. So please stay tuned and keep sending me your topics, keep sending me your suggestions, and also keep sending me your constructive criticism. I love that, I value that, and inshallah, whatever comes out of my mouth with goodness is all it all Allah's blessing, and whatever is the shortcoming is upon me. Please keep me in your duas, and also keep my family in your duas, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.